Have you ever wondered why an apple falls straight down from a tree and not sideways? Or perhaps why a car accelerates when you press the gas pedal? The answers to these intriguing questions lie in the realm of kinematics, the branch of physics that deals with the motion of objects. Kinematics, you see, is not about why things move, but how they move. It's about understanding the nitty-gritty of motion without delving into the forces that cause it. It's the study of position, velocity, and acceleration, and how these concepts are interrelated. Let's start with the most basic concept: position. Position refers to an object's location in space at a particular moment in time. It's like a snapshot of where something is. But positions are not static, they change. That's where velocity comes in. Velocity is the rate at which an object changes its position. It's not just about speed, but also direction. An object moving at a constant speed in a circular path, for instance, changes its direction continuously. Hence, it has a velocity. But what if the velocity changes? That's where acceleration enters the picture. Acceleration is the rate which an object changes its velocity. This could mean speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. A car accelerating from a traffic light or a skydiver reaching terminal velocity are both examples of acceleration. So in essence, kinematics revolves around these three key concepts: position, velocity, and acceleration. It's about understanding how these three elements interplay to create the motion we observe in our daily lives. To make sense of this, physicists have developed equations, often referred to as the equations of motion. These equations allow us to calculate any one of these quantities if we know the others. They are the tools that help us predict how an object will move under a given set of circumstances. To recap, kinematics is the study of motion without considering its causes. It's centered around the concepts of position, velocity, and acceleration, and how they interrelate. The equations of motion are the tools that physicists use to predict how an object will move under specific conditions. So next time you see an apple fall from a tree or press the gas pedal in your car, remember the principles of kinematics at play. It's a fascinating field, one that helps us make sense of the world around us. It's the poetry of motion, written in the language of physics. And you, my dear listener, are now a part of this poetic journey.